free Europe standard CV and cover letter, just subscribe our channel, send screenshot on Instagram, and our link is in bio. Today the session number 6 will be in English, and we will learn in this video German days of week. So please watch video until the end, and then I promise you will know German days of week very well. Let's start from the Monday. First day of the week is der Montag. Please learn every days of week with the article, and all days of week have article der. Der Montag, der Dienstag means Tuesday, and the next one is der Mittwoch. You have to pronounce same like I'm pronouncing der Mittwoch. It's mean Wednesday, der Montag, Monday, der Dienstag, Tuesday, der Mittwoch, Wednesday. Next one is der Donnerstag. It's mean Thursday. Please learn German with the articles. If you don't learn articles, then you will have a problem in the future. Let's move on. The Friday, der Freitag. It means Friday. For more videos, please subscribe and stay connected with us. Let's move on. The other days of week, der Samstag, it's mean Saturday, and the article is obviously der. This we will say also weekends, but for the weekends we have another word. We will learn also this word. Der Sonntag, Sunday. Sonntag, it's also a name in Germany. Some families have their name Sonntag, but obviously it's meaning Sunday. Das Wochenende. This was the word I was talking about. Das Wochenende means weekend. We can say das Wochenende, or we can say der Sonntag or der Samstag. Der Morgen, it means morning. You are watching this video, I have a gift for you. Just subscribe our channel and get a free Europe standard CV and cover letter. Send a screenshot on our Instagram. Der Vormittag, it's mean forenoon, means before 12, 11, 12, like this. And next one is der Mittag. It's mean around 12, 1, or noon. You can say the meaning is noon. Der Mittwoch, noon. Let's learn some other words. Der Tag. It's mean the day. And then der Abend. It's mean evening. And the next one is die Nacht. I will also write down it. Die Nacht. It's mean the night. Der Tag, der Abend, die Nacht. So this was the video, and thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, ask in comment box, and I hope to see you in next videos again.